In our continuing coverage of the fight against COVID-19, some local pharmacies are set to get the newest treatment. The Georgia Department of Health is allocating shipments of both the Pfizer and Merck antiviral pills to 4 pharmacies in the Coastal Health District. So WSAV's Brian Ray is joining us live at one of those pharmacies. They are expecting a shipment tomorrow.
Ben, good evening. That's right. The Georgetown Drug Company here behind me is actually the only pharmacy in Chatham County to be getting this first shipment of the oral treatment. Healthcare workers are hopeful it'll ease the strain on hospitals and help the community through this next surge of the virus. Dr. Neil Hollis, owner of Georgetown Drug Company, says he doesn't know exactly how many treatments they're getting, but is expecting a huge turnout of those wanting the so-called COVID pill.
I think it's a very big step, not only for us as a pharmacy, but for us as a community, especially for those who are at high risk that are able to get this medication. I think it's going to be kind of a breath of fresh air for those who may be still very worried about what this can do.
According to the state health department, you need a prescription to get the treatment, which is under emergency use authorization. Officials also say it's recommended for people at high risk and should be used within 5 days of experiencing symptoms.
This therapy will be very similar to Tamiflu, like we would take for influenza, but actually with better data than Tamiflu has. This product, based on what we know right now, is much more effective at keeping you out of the hospital and improving your illness course.
Experts estimate it's 90% effective at preventing hospitalization, but they say vaccines remain the best preventative measure. The new treatment comes as the demand for testing increases with the spread of the Omicron variant. The Georgetown Drug Company selling out of at-home tests within days of getting them.
Over the past couple of weeks, we have seen a huge increase in testing, rapid tests and PCR tests. The positives have been coming in more often than we have seen in the past couple months.
Hollis hopes the COVID pill will help slow the spread of the virus in the community.
We are doing everything we can to help them, not to hurt them. And so I think with these new oral treatments coming out, I think it's a great thing for them to put their trust in and allow them to, to get better.
On your screen now are the other places within the Coastal Health District getting the treatment. There are Walgreens on Highway 17 in Richmond Hill, the Coastal Drug Company in Midway, and the Walmart on the Altama Connector in Brunswick. The State Health Department says this first allocation from the federal government is limited, but they do anticipate adding more shipments in the coming weeks as they become available. Live in Savannah, Brian Ray, WSAV News 3 on your side.